Hey, awesome morning changers. Today I would like to share next video of the alphabet, and my video is about how you can see the letter formations in your handwriting and check how it is seen in every day in your everyday writing. So your handwriting reflects the person as you are. So when you are writing a letter in such a manner, that is very unique with anybody, because the way we have different eye print, the way we have different fingerprints, same way we have different handwritings, and it will never match. It is unique in the entire universe. So you have to have you you should know that your handwriting is a special, it's unique. So you have to take care of it very well. As you take care of yourself, your handwriting reflects it. Here I would like to show you the alphabet A. Here the bigger letter, it is very broad from inside. This is like, it is very squeezed, and this is a normal A. So here I would like to show you different kinds of A. If you have different varieties of A which you make, click a snapshot, send it to us. We'll do the analysis on those alphabets and will help you to see the perspective behind those letter and alphabet formations. So you can change, or if you want to just know, not you are not interested to change, that's perfectly fine, because everybody is okay with their comfort zone. So you want to do the way you want, that's absolutely fine. You have any queries, any questions related to the alphabets, please send us your sample, handwriting sample. Click a clear snapshot and send it to us, and we'll discuss it through our videos. Thank you and bye bye.